Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to back up WhatsApp messages. So it's really easy and simple. All you have to do is open or launch your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your WhatsApp application. Now here, what you're going to do once you are on your WhatsApp, you have to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You will see this three dots right here. Now you need to scroll down and tap on settings. On settings, you have to scroll down again and look for chats. Tap this one right here. Now scroll down again and you will see this chat backup. And all you have to do is to click this. Here on chat backup, you can now back up your messages, including your files, photos, images. But of course, you have to make sure that you're connected to your Google account. So in order for you to do that, tap on Google account and then select the Google account that you want to add here on your WhatsApp. So let's just say I wanted to add this account right here. Wait for a couple of seconds and I should see that Google account appear here on my WhatsApp. You also need to permit this Google account to be added to your WhatsApp. Now, once added, I can now turn on or toggle on this buttons right here and start backing up messages. Now I can also set automatic backups for daily, weekly. Okay, so I strongly suggest daily. And then include photos, files, everything is up to you. You can toggle this on. So basically that's it. Make sure that you're connected to the correct email or Gmail account. And that's how you back up WhatsApp messages. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.